place itself has this sort of underlying powerful energy you can't ignore it. Coming from New England, I felt instantly connected with Ireland. The same sort of rugged, gnarly feel of freezing cold temperatures and slippery rocks and keyholes and far paddles and lots of current. The energy is crazy, and it feels special to me. This past trip, I was lucky enough to surf with pretty much all of my biggest heroes in the surf world, just absolute chargers. Honestly, when I first saw that, it was terrifying to me to think that I was there to try to put myself in that position and get waves like that. It wasn't discouraging, but it was almost like a realization that, wow, like the position you have to put yourself in to get a good wave here is just terrifying. And I knew I was gonna have to work up to it.
Oh my God! Wow!
Run of swell we had was just all time. It was by far the best run of swell I've ever seen, and multiple times a week I was seeing the best waves I've ever seen in person, and to be honest, I think anywhere.
Poor Robbie. Oh my God.
I'm so thankful to all the local boys who are just so welcoming and nice to me, and I learned so much by watching them. It's so nice to be able to go there and recognize familiar faces in the water on big scary days and be able to talk to people, and it kind of feels like home now when I go there. I know I'm gonna have people watching my back, and I'll be watching everyone's back, and I'll get hooted into a wave here and there, and I can scream my head off for all the boys making insane waves, and I think that's probably what I love about it the most.